My name is Sebastian Liao. I'm a distinguished professor from the English department at the National Taiwan University in Taiwan. I've been invited over here to do a few speeches and workshops. My talks and seminars are mainly focused on how we can have a better future. The emergence of generative AI, I believe, have caused a lot of people to wonder whether or not human beings can actually compete with generative AI in the future. But I would argue that actually the appearance of generative AI actually reveal what is most precious in the human beings. That is, the ability to feel, to empathize, and the ability to create. These are the two things that generative AI, in the near future would not be able to have. So, what can cultivate these two abilities? The humanities. So, we are, I believe, looking forward to a golden age of the humanities very soon. On the other hand, we need to revamp and reinvent the humanistic values because in view of the three major planetary crises, meaning the World War III, which I hope will not happen, and the Anthropocene, and the unbridled development of technology. To cope with these three crises, we need to extend humanism beyond, anthropocentrism, meaning human centrism, to make humanism inclusive of all the things in the world, which of course we now call post-humanism. Post-humanism is key to ameliorating all these three crises.